Good morning. Day two in Nagpur, and yesterday was of course spent at the cricket match, and I came back. Found it really tiring because I didn't get a any kind of Uber or bus in the stadium vicinity area. You have to walk a lot, and of course in a stadium, the kind of traffic that comes, and it's also a place that's on the highway away from the city. So after walking for a couple of kilometers, I then found a local bus service that dropped me at the airport. And from the airport, I coaxed, literally begged an auto guy to come, and then he came drop me. Evening, I just spent some time trying to speak with a friend on the phone, and while I was doing that, I just boarded the metro, where I wanted to understand, okay, what is there in the city? Where can I basically go and explore? So that gave me a little idea. But I then came back by about 9:30 and slept early last night. Today, of course, there's a lot more energy to explore the town. I made a small list, and all of those are near the metro stations. So the metro is probably today's most preferred way of transport. Let's get started. But first, to start the day, I just thought I'll go down. There's a small chai ka dukan. I'll just go have some chai and maybe some chuda for setting the stomach on fire, and then we'll get started. Let me take you down. So this is the hotel that I'm staying in. It's called Fab Hotels, or rather Manomai Homes. Manomai is I think the hotel name. Fab is just the brand through which you book. That's the early morning sunrise view. That's my room. Chai shop that I'm going out. See here. This place looks काफी सुनसान. So the first point in the morning today is Ramji Shyamji Pohewale. That's the place. Let me just put this on Uber because I'm in this very sunsan nagariya. It takes time to get an Uber, but yeah, let's first put it out there and see how long it takes.
जाना पड़ेगा ना
क्या
नीचे से
पता नहीं भैया, वो राम जी छोले वाले कुछ जगह है ना.
छत्रपति स्क्वायर पे जाना है.
हाँ हाँ, आप जानते होंगे, वो मेरे को वो जगह पता नहीं. अब सुना है सबसे अच्छा जगह है ब्रेकफास्ट खाने के लिए. ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया.
क्या नाम बोले?
कुछ रामजी श्यामजी पोहे वाले. तो ये नीचे से जाना पड़ता है क्या?
ये दो उसके और सामने
So here we are. We're on our way to Ramji Shyamji Pohewale. I've heard, but this is a good breakfast place. I think for lunch probably I'll have to find another place. I've seen a couple of things on Google. Let's see where I end up going. But for now, breakfast.
इनको दोनों जन को जरूर दिखाइएगा, रामजी श्याम जी के पास इन्हीं का नंबर है।
अच्छा,
तरी समोसा, एक सादा पोहा और 2 सिंगल समोसा।
एक तरी पोहा।
हाँ, टेस्ट प्लीज। हाँ, कसा डाल दो भेजने की वीडियो टेस्ट करो वीडियो।
मीडियम।
और एक सादा पोहा चूड़ा।
हाँ, डाल दो।
संभार में वो चूड़ा।
हाँ 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 सब डाल दो, रस्सा मत डालो, तर्री मत डालो, तर्री मत डालना भैया।
So I've heard a lot about this Tarri Poha. Let's see how it tastes. Basically masala and some spices added to the poha. So I went inside the metro. They basically told me not to film inside the metro. But while I looked at some of the places, it looked like because they don't have a day pass, a lot of the places are actually concentrated around 3-4 metro stations. So you will have to actually take a trip for just the 2 metro stations, come back again, take a ticket. So I thought that's fairly hassle, a lot of hassle that is there. So I'm right now trying to board an auto to get to Rahate Square. So second stop of the day, I am off to Deekshabhoomi. Apparently Baba Sahib Ambedkar had created this place, a place of Buddhist worship is what I'm told. That's the first location that's coming in Rahate Nagar, which is a couple of metro stations ahead. But as I said, I'm not using the metro today, taking the good old auto, going directly there, trying to see what's there, and then I have some sites planned on going to Sita Burdi, going to the Ganesh Tekadi Mandir, after that going to the Narrow Gauge Rail Museum, and seeing if I have time to go to the other museum, which is a C.V. Raman Museum. So I think that should basically fill my day, and then I'll have to figure out some place for lunch. To see B.R. Ambedkar's life chronicled through a series of photos, this is a good place to come and visit. It's also a Buddhist shrine, so the place is largely very silent, very good for a morning. If you just want some quiet time with yourself, I think this is a great place to come in the morning. And if you're also interested to know about the life of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, this is a historical museum also of sorts. But for now, I'm done with this place. I have to ask my auto guy if there's any other place that he's willing to take me to. He said Swaminarayan Mandir, but I don't know how far this is from here. Let me go ask him. Should it be Swaminarayan Mandir or should it be Sita Burdi? We're trying to find that out.